increase, decrease by percentage. There are two ways of doing this question. The first way is to find out 10% of £45 and add it to the price. So we are looking for 10% of £45 to do this. We do it by 10 divided by 100 times 45. £4.50. Then we add this £4.50 to 45. And that gives us £49.50. The second method is to think of the £45 as the 100%, and then we are adding 10%, so we want to work out 110% of £45. So to do this, we have 110 divided by 100 times 45. This gives us straight away £49.50. OK, for this question, we have two methods. For the first method, I find 20% of £7,500 and then take it away. For the second method, I need to take 20% away from 100%, which is 80%, and then all I need to do is 80% of 7,500. So that is 80 divided by 100 times 7,500, which gives us £6,000. Here are two questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you are ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.